Today, I will tell you a story about Anna's family. It's a simple story about love, support, and growing up. Stay with me until the end. You will learn new English words and their meanings. Let's begin. Anna is 20 years old. She lives in a small town with her family. There are 5 people in Anna's family: her father, her mother, her younger brother, her little sister, and Anna. Anna is the firstborn. She studies at the university in the city, but she visits home every weekend. She loves her family very much. Her father, Mr. Lewis, is a teacher. He wakes up early every morning to prepare his lessons. He is kind, patient, and always gives good advice. When Anna was young, he helped her with her homework every evening. Her mother, Mrs. Lewis, works as a nurse. She is always busy, but she still finds time to cook delicious food for the family. Anna's favorite meal is her mother's special chicken soup. When Anna comes home from school, her mother always says, "Welcome home, my sunshine." Anna's brother, Ben, is 15 years old. He loves football and dreams of becoming a famous player one day. Every afternoon, he practices at the school field. He is full of energy and always smiling. Her little sister, Lily, is only 8. She loves drawing and coloring pictures. She often draws the whole family, with big smiles and a bright sun in the corner. Lily says she wants to be an artist when she grows up. Anna feels lucky to have her family. They don't have everything, but they have love, laughter, and respect for each other. Sometimes, when she feels tired or lonely at the university, she looks at a small photo of her family on her desk. It reminds her that she is never alone. One weekend, when Anna came home, her family surprised her with a small cake. On it were the words, "We are proud of you." Anna almost cried. She realized that no matter where life takes her, her family will always be her home. New vocabulary and meanings. Firstborn, the oldest child in a family. Delicious, very tasty. Patient, someone who stays calm and doesn't get angry easily. Respect, to show care and value for someone. Proud, happy and satisfied about someone's success. Now it's your turn. What new English words did you learn from this story? Write them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so you can listen to more short stories and learn new vocabulary every week.